Hi everyone. So welcome to week 13. This is the week 13 overview. I'll be making one of these videos at the beginning of every week. So here we are. Whenever you sign into Canvas, get in the habit of going right to modules. Okay, after you read my announcements and all of that, go right into modules because that's how this is going to be organized. So we go down to week 13, and this is everything that needs to take place in week 13. So let's go right into the overview. And this is where I'm going to post the video. So you'll see right here, there's no video because I am making it right now. So I'll have the video right there. And these are what needs to be done by Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Just a really brief overview. Okay. This week, I purposely planned to keep it fairly simple. I mean, there's not going to be a whole lot to do this week, but what is being done is very important because we have to hurry and wrap up this summary analysis response essay that we started months ago. Remember that? So we need to finish that second writing project. So that's what we're focusing on this week. So there's not a lot. So let's go into the next thing. If you hit next, it will take you right into what we need to do next. And that is a one-time roll call. I am not going to be taking attendance. I'm not going to require any kind of roll call except for this first time, okay? Because it has been so long since we have connected. We've been in this weird kind of extended spring break hiatus that has left us in this weird, uncomfortable limbo, you know, in this mid-semester, and it's been awkward and it's stressful with the pandemic and everything's going on. So anyway, now that we're coming back together, I would really like to hear from each one of you. So all I'm asking you to do is hit reply right here and say hello. If you have any questions, ask any kind of questions. There's already been a couple people who have responded here because they're just right on top of it, Luis and Ariana. So, but anyway, go ahead and do that so I can at least connect with you, okay? So that's the first thing we're going to do. The second thing, due by Tuesday night, is our rough draft of our second writing project, the summary analysis response essay. Okay, so this is still rough. We're just, you know, well, you've had some extra time to work on it, but it's still going to be a rough draft that we're going to submit Tuesday night, and then we're going to do a peer review. And I love how Canvas does these peer reviews. And so this is how it's going to roll really quickly, is we're going to just click reply here, and down here, we are going to attach a copy of our rough draft and then post reply, okay? Once midnight comes out around, so these are due by 11:59 or midnight that night, okay? Then at 1 o'clock, do I have it 1? Yeah, I have it set for 1 o'clock in the morning, Canvas, while we're all asleep in bed, Canvas is going to magically assign everyone 2 peers, okay? Once you have your peer names, they'll show up on your Canvas. You will go to their post and you can say, hey, or whatever, or you can just simply open up their attachment. You can download it or just open it up. And I'm going to have a couple links to a peer review sheet that then you will fill out for your peer, you know, reviewing their draft, and then you will go ahead and hit reply to their post and submit or attach those peer review sheets. And you will do that by Thursday night. Okay, so that gives you 2 days to do, to give 2 people some feedback. And I want to do by Thursday night because the final draft is going to be due the next Tuesday. And I want you to have plenty of time to consider the feedback you get from your peers and also consider the feedback you're going to get from me that I'm going to stick in the comments section of your assignment, of this assignment. Make sure, I want you to have time to consider that as you revise and polish up your draft so that they can be ready to go by next Tuesday. And then by next Tuesday, we'll talk about our next project and what that's going to entail. And you know what? That's it. That's what we're doing this week. Not a whole lot. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either send me a question, put a question on this announcement or on my roll call, or just send it to me on a Canvas message. Okay? Bye-bye.